I can never see myself going, I don't know, to the same factory or same like line work job doing the same thing over and over and over again. I'm not the type of guy to be confined by the four walls of an office or a cubicle setting. In this role, I'm able to spend time in the office as well as get a good bit of time in the field as well. So I like the dynamic environment, the continual change and challenge that comes along with this role that I'm in. My name's Tyler. I'm a project engineer with the site division at Kinsley Construction. I've been here for about 7 years. I was born and raised in the Lancaster County area. I developed a passion for construction while working in the dirt work and pipe work realm with another contractor. Decided to go to college to further my education and took a position with Kinsley as a safety professional and did that for a couple years and wanted to get back into more of the dirt work and pipe work side of it. So being that Kinsley Construction is so diverse, it had many of the opportunities within, one of which was me being able to make the lateral move from a safety professional to a project engineer with our site division. So contrary to belief that Kinsley is solely York and based out of York, we are developing our local labor force. We're also taking on a lot of local jobs in the Lancaster area. Here at Kinsley, you're more than just a number, and I think everybody is treated equally and fairly at all levels across the board. And I learned that from the Kinsleys themselves. It starts from the top down, and then that mentality is contagious, and it just spreads throughout the company in quite a positive manner. If you are a driven individual and willing to learn and be coachable and do what you're told, you have what it takes to be successful and climb the ladder. You'll start at the bottom and work your way up. The opportunities are there. It's all about you pursuing the opportunities and chasing that dream of going to the next level. I think the only way for people to truly see it is to give Kinsley Construction a shot and realize that I found my niche, I found my home, and it's great to see projects that I'm involved in impact the community that I grew up and live in a positive manner.